Ningbo ACE Machinery, a company to grow up with our partner together. ACE Company was founded in 1995, which have 26 years experience in the road construction machinery. During this period, we build up the producing department with 5 workshops for different craft. The employees is raising from 35 to 133. In addition to the producing, the other part also building like the sales department, after sales service department, raw material purchasing department. Tool first factory is focused on compaction machinery and concrete machinery, like the concrete vibrator, plate compactor, tamping rammer, vibratory roller, power trowel, concrete cutter, concrete mixer. Besides, we also research and develop the new machines every year. In 2020 we made the latest products, the remote control power trowel. Let is our work more efficient and easy, with the idea of providing the innovative construction equipment that make your work life easier. The factory already get twice expanding. For our second excavator factory, the whole factory uses semi-automatic production equipment, such as robot welding, CNC large-scale cutting machine to ensure the accuracy of the cut parts, and the dry powder spraying of the assembly line ensures the brightness of the product surface and will never fade. We have exported our products to 52 countries, including Japan, Germany, the United States, Australia, Russia, etc. All our products have the certification which need in all over the world. We can offer the CE, EPA certification as the basic, and also the other which asking from you. With the time goes by, here is the 27th years of our company. We still remember our mission and ambition to be the excellent global provider of construction equipment for professional contractors, to be a company that customer focused, always in innovation, grateful and keep on win-win model all times.